Hi Whiskers, welcome back to our channel. Today we're doing a little bit of self-pampering, if you know what I mean. So we got a lot of good feedback on our video that was called Self-Care Routine with Whiskey. It will be linked in the description down below. So after we saw how much you guys liked it, we decided to make a part 2. So we are accompanied today by Whiskey the cat. As you can see, he's right there. So we'll be showing you guys part 2 of our routine. And we got some more products to try, so let's get started. If you guys want to see more content, just subscribe to our channel and like this video if you enjoyed it. And if you want to see more of this little angel, join our notification squad by ringing that notification bell. And we surely hope you guys had a wonderful Mother's Day. So comment down below. What did you do for Mother's Day in this quarantine? Did you do something special? Did you do something original? Did you keep it low-key? Tell me down in the comments. We're interested to know. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So we got our little mirror right here and Whiskey is in the bathtub. Hi! Let's pamper this face. So we're gonna start by cleaning our face. I did put on a little bit of makeup because for Mother's Day, I went to get some sushi for my parents. I didn't want anyone to think I was an actual zombie, so I just put on a little bit of mascara so I wouldn't cause a general panic. So let's take that off. Mascara is the worst to remove. Like I always feel that there's still some left. Ah! Are you done? Whiskey? So the mascara has been removed. I can put that away for now. So the second step would be to clean our faces. I'm gonna move that because I need the sink. Let you enjoy the little view of Whiskey. Don't want to block your view. Oh my god. Look at those eyebrows. Eyebrows on fleek. Bring back our little mirror. Just saw my reflection. Whew. So next step, we're gonna scrub our faces clean. So we're gonna use our Peter Thomas Roth, yet again, our exfoliant. Get rid of all the dead skin. If it removes dead skin, could it help the fact that I'm dead inside? Let's get that skin. Ooh. Yeah. Dead skin. Yuck. Now that our skin is exfoliated, so we got the first mask we'll be trying is the watermelon.
It's watermelon.
This is so cute, you guys. I live for this packaging. It's from Authentic Korean Beauty, Hallyu. I don't know if I said it right. So yeah, we'll be trying that. So it says here to thoroughly cleanse face. That's done. Apply mask to face, avoiding eyes and lips. After 20 minutes, gently remove the mask. Lightly massage the skin and for external use only. Where else would I put it? Whiskey! You want a face mask? That's a joke. Don't do that to your animals. Oh my god. Ooh. Are they serious? Oh my god. Yummy. Just don't want to rip it apart. Okay, so it looks a little something like this. So it does have a watermelon.
It's watermelon
Texture, so I'm gonna put it on our faces. Oh wow! So it doesn't really smell like watermelon. It just smells like, you know those little like gummy hamburgers? It smells like that. Oh my god. Am I doing this right? This is way too big for my face. Like I had to fold it. Yeah, I know. Do you like mommy's look? So to apply it through the face, I'm gonna use this QO, I don't know if I said it right, Rose Quartz Facial Roller. So we got this little roller here, so we're gonna, I guess, apply it through the face. Oh, I see. Ooh, that does help with the application. Okay, I see you, girl. I see you. Ooh, oh, that feels so nice. Wow, I really look like a watermelon.
It's watermelon.
Iconic. Do you like my look? I don't think it's Whiskey approved. Okay, so it says to leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes, so we're gonna try 15 and we're gonna be right back with the results. Okay, so we're 5 minutes in. I don't know if it's doing anything. Cools, hydrates, and revives. Can it revive my soul? Okay, so just 10 more minutes to go. This is so relaxing. It's been 15, well actually 17 minutes. Oh my god, this would do a great thumbnail. Whiskey, come here, we have to make a thumbnail. And it's kind of starting to itch, so I think it's time to remove it. I do feel like refreshed. So it's said to massage the excess product. That's what we're gonna do. Massage. So we're gonna take this cloth, we're gonna rinse. Okay, so the second mask we're gonna be trying is a wash off mask. So it's a green clay mask. It's from Unmask Beauty. It looks like this. Exfoliate, clarifies, and moisturizes. So it says to avoid the eye area and the hair area, and of course the mouth. Green clay is not on the menu for tonight. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, it's nice. Am I gonna look like one of those ladies in those spa commercials? Like, this is the aesthetic I'm looking for. So since all the spas are closed, we're having our own little spa moment. Oh my god. Don't know if I'm like putting enough, putting not enough. Oh my god. Wow. You better work. Okay, Miss Green. I can hear like all of the beauty estheticians just cringing right now. Like, I've tried the like black face clay that's supposed to get rid of like blackheads and everything, and I have a lot of blackheads on my face, so it did help, but it really hurt. Like, that hurts. I don't know if you guys seen like the videos online of like people removing it, but like it really hurts.
Okay, ready? Oh! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Fast.
It like pulls down on your skin because it really grabs onto the skin to get those like nasty blackheads out. I tried to do it like a band-aid, you know, like rip it off in one shot, but it really hurt and it just got half of it off. I hope it's not going to be the same thing with this one. You better work. We look like we're at the spa. Hell yeah. We are going to take a bath in this. Do I look like Jim Carrey in the mask?
Okay.
Twins. Oh, whiskey! I think I might have the too much gene like Jenna Marbles. Okay, so we're done with the mask. So it said to leave it on here for 10 to 15 minutes, so we're gonna get in the bathtub. Do you like this look, honey? Out of the bathtub and we're now removing, yeah, we're removing the mask. Hero. Hi! So my skin does feel a lot better. I definitely recommend this mask. And remember, you guys, None of these products are sponsored in any way. I bought them with my own money yet again. What does a girl have to do to get sponsored? I mean, like, no, just kidding. I love giving my honest opinion, and even if I was to be sponsored, I would always give my truthful opinion. Wow. Oh my god, my skin feels amazing. Whiskey. So, we got out of the bathtub, and I put on my favorite pajama to fit with Whiskey's fur. Yeah, we're the same. Look at that. I love you, honey. It's time to really relax. The last step are underpatch hydrogel eye masks. So these go under the eye. I never did this before. I'm so excited. These are so chilly. Oh. Oh. I know, right? Whiskey, what is that? I just want to drop it on his head, but I won't. Okay. Here we go. Oh! Oh my god. Oh, I didn't think it was gonna stick that well. Holy moly. Oh my god. I think I did it. So we have to leave this on for 20 minutes. Start that timer. Here we go. Yeah! So we're still waiting. How are you feeling? Want some wine? No, that's for mommy. I know, yeah. So I realized that I didn't get anything for Mother's Day. Yeah, you better hide. Well, thank you, lady, for joining the chat. Are you tired of going on walks all the time? I can't wait for this quarantine to be over. Thank you. Always being there to support me, honey. Thank you so much. Then? Okay. Good girl. Good girl. So, we're having some difficulty with this one. It really slips, but not that one. That one is okay. The sound from hell! It's time to remove them. Ooh, jelly. They look like my implants. Oh. So I don't know if you guys know about this, but I do have breast implants. They are silicone, and I did talk about it on Instagram, so I'm not hiding from it in any way. I'm really happy with the results, and I do not regret my decision at all. If you guys want me to do a short video about how it went, if you have some questions about the breast augmentation surgery, if you're thinking about it, if you have some questions, if you're just curious on how it works, how the pain went, how much it costs, go ahead and ask your questions down below in the comments. It will be a pleasure for me to answer them. Before my surgery, I did a lot of searching on YouTube, and it helped me a lot to make my decisions. So if you have some specific questions, I'll be answering them in a future video. So don't be shy, ask some more. Hi! Mommy's face feels soft. So thank you guys for watching yet another one of our videos. We're really glad you tuned in, and if you made it this far, well, thank you. If you have any more ideas for some videos, comment your ideas down below, or you can also reach us on our Twitter. So on that, you guys, we're getting quite tired. Yeah, so we're gonna go to bed. So thank you guys again for watching this video. We really appreciate it. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to our channel to see more of this little angel. If you want to be part of our notification squad, just ring that notification bell. So on that, you guys, per usual, you know the drill. We'll leave you on a special message from Whiskey.